Point symmetry. Now point symmetry is in which we have any figure symmetrical about a point, and that point will be known as the center of symmetry. Because we are dealing with point symmetry, so we must have a point about which we have a symmetry, so that point will be known as the center of symmetry. We have any figure which is symmetric about a point if every point has image point directly opposite to it. Now you call a figure to be symmetric about a point only and only if every point is having image point opposite to it. That means every point must have a image point which is lying opposite to the point that we are considering. So over here what I have done is I have made a circle. This is the center of the circle. I am saying that this is the center of symmetry. So I am calling this as the center of symmetry. Now if I ask you to consider A, B and C as the 3 points which are, you can say, the object points, right? Now we will conclude that object point, center of symmetry and the image points that will be formed will be going to be the collinear ones. Collinear means they are going to lie on one line. Now how can we do that? We'll have to check it over here. If this is the center of symmetry, for point A, we are going to have a point, that is, this is the object point. See, I am writing it object. The image formed with for this point is going to be directly opposite to this, that is here. So I am placing A dash. This is representing the image of the object A. Next we have the object point B. So we'll write over here object. Now object B is going to have its image directly opposite to this. That means, or directly opposite means over here. So we are making B dash over here. Now what about point C? If you take point C as the object, you would find that the image point for this object point is going to lie directly opposite to this, that is over here. Now if I ask you to check whether the object point, center of symmetry and image point are lying on a same line or not, that is if they are collinear or not, what you can do over here? You can make a line and check if they all are lying on a same line or not. If you want, you can check the object point B, center of symmetry O and B dash, that if you join them with a straight line, you would find that all the 3 points are lying on the same line. That means they are collinear to each other. If you want to talk about A and A dash, we can check for this also, that is they are also going to lie on the straight line. Again for C dash and O, you can check that these are also going to lie on the straight line. So we can conclude that point, object point, image point and center of symmetry are always collinear to each other, that is they always lie on the same line. So that was about the point symmetry.